Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Let's see what this dance looks like. Starting with our weight completely weighted on our left foot, leaving our right foot completely free. Section 1 is going to start with locking steps to the right. We're going to do a step, lock, step, lock, step. We're going to do the same thing to the left with our left foot. Step, lock, step, lock, step. Section 2, we're going to do a rock, recover with a 3/4 turn, ending up on facing our 9 o'clock wall. So it's going to start off with a rock, recover, triple to the back, step, touch, kick, ball, change. Now I'm at my 9 o'clock wall. Section 3, we're going to do a series of steps to get us around to a 3/4 turn facing our 12 o'clock wall where we started the dance. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, or walk, walk, triple walk. We were going to go back with 2 steps, left, right, then a coaster step, coaster step. Section 4, we're going to do another lock diagonal, step diagonal. We're going to be at about 2 o'clock with our first step. So we are going to do a stomp and hold and stomp and hold, working our way to 3 o'clock. We're going to do a pivot turn. So we're going to take our left foot and we're going to pivot around to our right foot. Then we're going to do a locking step to finish up the dance. Locking step. Now we're ready to repeat the dance on our new wall. Now let's count it out. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4, turn 5, touch 6, kick 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4. Turn 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. And that is double shot of crown. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.